Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. I'm also fine and fit. So today I make this video especially those who want to be a fluent speaker but don't find any accurate video on these following topics. So today's video I suggest you three things or three tips which is very important if anyone wants to be a fluent speaker in English. And mind it, these three tips I follow in my routine and daily routine. I follow these three things. So let's start the video. So our first tip is you must listen English daily for minimum 12 minutes or 30 minutes. You don't know and you can't imagine how these tips improve your spoken English, because if you listen English daily, it will increase your memorizing section, it will increase your thinking section, it will increase your pronunciation section, which is very important if anyone wants to be a fluent speaker. So our first tip is you should listen English for minimum 12 minutes or 30 minutes. Our second tip is you must think in English, which means as our mother tongue in Bengali. So we love that, we like that to think in English. But if you want to be a fluent speaker in English and you follow a strict rule, then you must think in English and it will increase your thinking skill, which is very important for those who want to be a fluent speaker. So this is our second tips. Our final tips is practice with yourself. I don't say practice others, I say practice with yourself. It is very important if you want to be a fluent speaker, and I follow this in my daily routine. Minimum I practice with myself 12 or 30 minutes daily in front of mirror, or simply tricks is just open your mobile camera and start saying anything in English, right? So don't feel shy to practice with yourself. If you practice with others, then it can be said you feel shy, but if you practice with yourself, it doesn't matter you make any kind of mistake or no, it doesn't matter because you practice with yourself. So I suggest you three tips which if you follow, then I assure you that after 1 month you will see your improvements. So I hope this video will help you more. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum.